Oh gosh, I'm recording. Oh.
You gotta post it.
Oh. Look at that! No, I'm not playing. Wait, it's a lot. It's so many.
She threw the bread.
What?
She threw the bread at me, Mom.
What?
Gina tried to get him to come closer.
Wait. Y'all, it's a lot.
That's
Y'all, we at Stepping
Calm
Stones, y'all.
Breathe
We
in and breathe out. Mommy, she's crying.
I can't see him run up on me.
You got this.
Y'all, this a lot for me. I'm really overcoming a lot. We feeding the birds because they need food too. If they just getting a little close, y'all had an incident at Cedar Point in 1994 and it heavily affected me. Golly, so I have a little bit of a hard time. Wait! With the bird. Oh my God! Okay, wait a minute. I just don't want to be like this. I want to be better, and I know I can. Gina's feeding the birds, Fly Kids. Y'all, wait! Don't throw them up here. Y'all, please don't put them up here. Please throw them in. We got to throw them in the water or on the grass. Oh, God, here. Y'all got to, let's. I'm really trying. This is really some beautiful stuff, but I just got some things I gotta work on, guys. But look how beautiful it is. Auntie Gina out here. We got Fly Kids.
Did you see the fish?
Let's see the fish. Look at the fish. Oh, look at the... Jordy, you like it? Jordy, what you doing?
Are you making bird sounds?
God's just so dope. Even look at the sky. God's so dope. I'm sorry, guys, that's watching. I had that little moment. Best friend, that wasn't
a little moment. That was a big moment, but it's okay.
I told you what happened.
Yep.
They jumped me. I got jumped by a bird. That's hard. You know, that's a lot.
And I didn't think about it when I suggested this.
What? Well,
but it's okay. We can,
I gotta get, yeah.
unlearning trauma.
Cause yeah, thank you. Joe, why is this a great thing that you're feeding the birds and the geese and the?
Because it's very fun.
It's fun, and what
It's
else?
calming.
Yeah.
Is it being nice because you're feeding God's creatures?
Yeah.
It's calming, best friend. Oh God. So we'll be back, y'all. We'll be back. We'll be back. All right.